644. We're gonna replace the crankshaft sensor.
Crankshaft sensor.
We're gonna use a 10mm socket, but usually it comes with an 8mm. But let me show you guys where it's at, where it's located. You go underneath the car, in front of the radiator, you're gonna see the crankshaft pulley and the crankshaft sensor is up here. This one right here. That's the crankshaft sensor. There's 2 bolts holding it. As you can see, it's already unplugged right now.
Hey, Gil.
Yeah.
What's that alignment shop called? What's the name of it?
Yeah, it's Mountain View, Goodyear.
Goodyear?
Yeah.
It's Goodyear. Yeah, what the like,
This is the connector for the crankshaft sensor. I already unplugged it. So I just have to take out the 2 bolts holding it.
Shop the second one.
Okay guys, on this picture we can see that there's 1 bolt right on top of the other. They're size 8mm, and that's how you're gonna see it underneath the car, right next to the crankshaft pulley, which is this one.
Ah, shit, I don't qualify to hold the... What are you doing?
Making a YouTube video. I don't know.
What?
Remove a 2006 Ford Explorer crankshaft sensor.
Oh, so you're
Put it on
those
YouTube.
nice people that put all of that stuff?
Yeah, I guess so. Gilbert is.
We try to help people out.
Did you say, hi, my name is Gilbert?
Yeah.
Oh shit, so my voice was on there too?
Yeah, it's the thing on there.
As we speak,
As we speak, we're all big on it.
The other bolt is just a little bit above.
Above it?
Above it, so.
Alright.
Once you see the new crankshaft sensor, you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll be able to figure it out where the other bolts are.
Alright.
It's hard to see it.
Sign out, Gilbert.
We any questions or suggestions, please leave comments below. Leave comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, guys.
There you go.